Live2D is not just for VTuber stuff or idle animation. Let's push the limits of what it can do together. Hey there, I'm Live2D Animator MiiKO. Let's learn how to get your illustration moving and turn them into dynamic 2D animations. Even before we start rigging, let's cut and prepare your illustration into clean layers so that the motions will be smoother and more flexible. We will then explore Live2D's core tools and features so that we can get the most out of the program and progress to advanced techniques with ease. After mastering basic idle animation, we'll continue on to more complex sequences while setting up a clear-cut scalable workflow. Whether you're an illustrator looking to upskill or an aspiring animator wondering where to start, let's create your next piece of art together. I am MiiKO, a Live2D animator, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.